Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
No, you're not. You helping me.
What?
You helping me.
Helping you with what?
O2, Hyundai Elantra, power steering pump replacement. All right, so
I'm supposed to be going out.
this goes right here. I'm basically gonna show you
Hey, charge me.
the replacement pump. Only thing I do is take out the cover. 24-inch wrench for the top of the power steering pump. So, top screw here, bottom screw, long one, right? It's all loose still. The whole purpose is let's put the belt on properly, right? It's on properly from the bottom to the top, and then at that point, you would literally pull it back, and then tighten it, right? As tight as possible. Right.
That was not till like 10 though, 10, 12.
Right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Everybody should know that.
I hope I'm getting paid for this, but
You want to get paid for recording this?
yes.
All right. I got you with lunch tomorrow.
$45 a day.
I got you with lunch tomorrow. 45 a day. All right, might be a good deal. All right. So you see the connection right here is holding it.
Connection. Well, actually, we showed them the connection.
It's done though.
It's done now, but the connection.
And then put this back.
Put that back. The clamp. Go clamp it. Clamp it so they can see.
I am with the clamp.
No, the clamp. That clamp right there. Oh boy.
Yo, you're horrible.
There you go. Slide it over. So no fluid leaks. You know, that's the clamp.
Yeah, still gotta hold on. Back up, bro.
Trying to let them see the clamp. Then look, screw it, boom, make it,
Tighten it.
tighten it, then clamp it.
Right over.
Slide it all the way. Not too much though, but right there, look. Probably like a centimeter space.
It's done.
And that's it, we done.
And cap it over for more fluid.
Cap it, yeah, you definitely gotta put the more fluid. But they gotta buy that.
The car. Alright, so smoke is normal. Yo, bro. Yeah, smoke gonna burn up. The job is done though.